Hello there, I trust you are well. Here is another DIY video. One weekend I decided to convert my children's bunk bed to loft bed. I started measuring the room to make sure that my idea will fit. This is how I envisaged the loft bed ideally will look like if I have to construct it using 2x4s and 2x6, but I don't want to just throw away the old bunk bed, so I have to come up with something so that I can reuse the old bunk bed. After shifting the wardrobe that was laid horizontally to corner and rotating it 90 degrees, the two loft beds will fit perfectly. Let's have a look how this project ends. If you still see that red subscribe button, why don't you click it now to show support to my channel? Besides, it won't cost you anything. The base has been constructed using 3x3s and with 2x4s connecting them in their full length. I also added CLS studs and some steel brackets to strengthen the framing. Then with some help with my family members, we placed the bed on top of the frame. And I then spliced the bed base leg support with a strip of wood that I recycled and cut from the bunk bed side rails. The tabletop was made by cutting into half the 2.4 meter long 15 thick melanin paste chipboard, otherwise known as MFC, with my circular saw. Then I used some CLS stud again to create the table to place the MFC. The ladders were made using CLS studs.